Welcome to Complete Threshold Glance Restore Guide from the Windows 10 Mobile Group. First, since the glance feature is hardware dependent, it will only work in a handful of devices. To know if your device is compatible, go to Settings, then to System, and then to About. Check your model name, see if it's in the supported devices list. If it is, you can continue on. Threshold Glance is a glance service which was available in first releases of Windows 10 Mobile. In Redstone builds, it was removed and replaced by a new glance service which was integrated to system settings. But it lacks certain customization and features compared to the older one, and that is why this guide exists to re-establish the old glance without breaking anything in any build. The old glance is heavily customizable and is recommended over the new Redstone glance in every aspect. Take a look at all its features and follow along to set it up in your device. First, let's load your phone with the required software and files in order to restore the glance service in your device. The first folder contains the glance system files, and the second folder contains the glance app, which is to control the service in phone. Copy or cut both of the folder to your phone's downloads folder. Then head in to deploy that Storage Explorer Zap app to your device. Remember that we have a Zap install video which has a method to deploy Zap without PC as well. Now to your phone, open Storage Explorer app you just deployed, then in the app, go inside the C drive. After that, click on the address bar which is right below the app name, then type in the following address to the bar and then hit forward arrow. There go to the Downloads folder and cut the 2 LPM fonts folders and 2 DLL files. Then get out from the Downloads folder and re-enter the address bar. Now type the new displayed path. Once you're in that directory, expand the bottom flyout by clicking the 3 dots and choose Paste option. Now it will move those previously cut folders and DLL files there. Once done, you can exit the Storage Explorer app, then open Interop Tools. Expand the side menu. Then expand the Tweaks section and click on Tweaks. There find the Restore Old Glance, tweak and enable it. If it's already enabled, disable it and re-enable, then reboot your phone. We have placed every glance files in the system now and also enabled it in registry as well. So all left to do now is to install the Glance app. Let's get on with it. As usual, first install all the dependencies and finally install the main package. You can use any installer to install the package. We are using the default installer for easier demonstration. Beware that the Glance app will not show in App List. It will be under the Extras section in System Settings. There, choose the Glance mod and activate Glance. Now you can freely customize the Glance using these settings. For further customizations beyond these, look in the next part of the video. If you already had the Redstone Glance, you need to disable it to avoid the conflict between two Glance services. You can disable it easily by going to System Settings, and then to Personalization, then to Glance Screen. There, turn off the Show Glance Screen when your phone is turned off toggle. As the first customization, we get to change the Glance font size. Download the reg files to assign different font sizes and then move it to your phone. Then open Interop Tools in your phone and choose the Import Reg File option. Now go to the place you placed the reg files. There, you get 8 fixed sizes. Import the reg for your resolution or the one most close to your phone's resolution. Then just lock the phone to see the changes. Moreover, you can try any other reg files too to have different sizes. You can keep importing the reg files one by one to try every Glance font size, and by that you can choose the perfect size to your liking. Also take a note of those displayed tips. We have also bundled Windows Phone 8.1 Glance Font 2 during the setup. So just like with Windows 10 font we described previously, download the reg files and move them to your phone, and do the same thing to apply the reg files. In Threshold Glance, there is also a feature which enables the Glance clock to move over the time. This is to prevent screen burn-in. So download the reg file and move it to your phone. Then in your phone, import it using Interop Tools. Then lock your phone to see it in action. By every minute, the clock will move up and will keep doing it until glance timeout. There is also the ability to change the glance font color. There are two set of reg files, download both of them. First one is to change normal mode glance color. The second is to change the night mode glance color. Move both of them to your phone. Now in your phone, open Interop Tools and select the Import Reg File option. First let's change the normal mode glance color. The normal mode means the usual daytime glance, which is in white color. You can change the white color to 6 different colors. Import the reg of the color you want and lock your phone to see it in effect. Same goes for changing the night mode color as well. Just keep in mind that the night mode colors will only show during its active period. To check that, go to Glance App and Settings Extras. Also make sure that Hide Glance Screen option is not shown as the night mode if you want glance to be shown. That's all about threshold glance. Have a nice day.